She wasn't carrying a gun. She didn't sneak into enemy bunkers. She just typed. But every word she typed brought the world one step away from nuclear war. In 1962, Moscow, surrounded by the KGB, a secretary was playing a deadly game of deception. The Cuban Missile Crisis was heating up. One wrong move, and it was World War III. But crucial intelligence slipped into the hands of President Kennedy thanks to her. She was the courier for Oleg Penkovsky, the double agent feeding secrets from inside the Soviet military. Her disguise? A loyal office worker. Her weapon? A Soviet typewriter? With her help, America learned where the missiles were and how close they were to launching. She saved the world, but history forgot her name. The Cold War's quietest victory was type.